everyone. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about B and T cells and their role in the acquired immunity. Acquired immunity, a key feature of it is that the response that you'll get is stronger and faster with each repeated exposure to a pathogen. Meaning, each time we're presented with a certain pathogen, our immunity will recognize it and know how to take care of the problem in a fairly quickly manner. The B cells of white blood cells, they're formed in the bone marrow and they grow and mature in there. And T cells originate from the bone marrow, but then they go to the thymus to mature and differentiate. They form the backbone of that acquired immunity. B cells release the antibodies into the bloodstream. They bind to these pathogens and neutralize them. Each antibody is highly specific to a particular molecular component of that pathogen, and antibodies are highly diverse, meaning that there is a vast majority of B cells running through our body to help protect us against certain pathogens. And each time we get infected with a different pathogen, we create more antibodies. T cells, as I said, originate in bone marrow and mature in the thymus. In that thymus, they will multiply and differentiate into 4 different types of cells. We have helper, regulatory, cytotoxic, or memory T cells. They are then sent to the tissues, or they can circulate in the blood. Once stimulated, they can, by the appropriate antigen, helper T cells secrete the chemical called cytokines, which can stimulate the differentiation of B cells to make those antibodies. Regulatory T cells act to control the immune reactions. And cytotoxic T cells, when they are activated by those cytokines, they can bind to the infected cell or cancer cells and then kill them. With these T cells, they have T cell receptors on the cell surface, and they are highly variable. So once that is stimulated, they memorize it, and then they can bind to that same antigen that we were presented with. Thank you.